Guys, let's go from Seoul to Busan. Hey.
갑니다.
Let's go to Busan.
You can also purchase your ticket here. So you will see there your...
Guys, we are here na sa KTX station or dun sa Seoul station. Andito kami, nag-aantay kami ng boarding and ng platform number kasi 9:30 pa naman yung departure namin. So, kakain muna kami.
Try this. Cutlet area. Bacon and egg. So there's that. Oh, the mega coffee. Yeah, don't forget to buy mega coffee. So this is the platform 7. We are here. Let's go to train to Busan.
Let's go to Busan. Train to Busan. Hey.
May mag-collapse dito na zombie. This is Busan.
So we got some coffee, onigiri, and some bread. We are here na sa Busan station. Pupunta na kami sa hotel namin via bus.
Here, way up. Guys, so here's the first shot of Busan. Ayan yung mga bus stop.
Itatawid lang kayo. Dire-diretso lang, mag-meter maps na lang kayo. We are in Busan!
Na-decline kami sa bus.
So, bawal kayo mag-bus if meron kayo more than 2 lottery. So, mag-subway lang tayo. Nakakalito yung subway sa Busan. So, magbasa na lang kayo or mag-asa.
Guys, here's the Hyundai Beach.
We are here na sa hotel sa Busan and
Look at the banyo. Laki. Sobrang mura lang nito. Like 1,500 lang ata. Look, it's so nice. Well, it's Hotel Hauti.
we are in Busan. It's 3 p.m. na kasi sobrang tagal ng biyahe. Ewan namin, nagkagulo-gulo kami dun sa transpo. Nakakaligaw yung transpo nila sa Busan. Anyway, we're gonna find something to eat here sa Busan. Marami naman dito magkakatabi. So, let's find something to eat. Guys, it's a prank. Akala ko mainit sa Busan. It's a prank!
Here's where we're gonna eat. Mas mura dito. Finally!
It's sweet. Spicy. But the mix. It's good.
So, finally, hotak.
Can I have this one? One only?
Here. 감사합니다. This is the hot.
Video na sa TV!
This is so nice.
Ang saya, wala masyadong tao dito compared to Seoul.
Daming food. There's the Hyundai Beach.
Guys, we're gonna go sa Nampo para doon sa resto collab ko sa Handaso. We are here na sa Handaso. Let's try it.
We are so tired, but nakakita kami ng Daiso. So what is tired? More likely 2,000 and 1,000 lang yung price dito. Ang mura. Sobrang mura ng food dito. 1,500 lang yung disco. 1,500 won.